Here we see this summation notation, or sigma notation here, that uses this Greek letter sigma, and that tells us to add. And we have this lower limit of summation, I equals 1, and our upper limit is 5. So this is telling us to start by plugging in a 1 for I, and stop when we plug a 5 in for I, and plug all of the whole numbers in between. Okay? And then this summation, or this sigma, is telling us to add those numbers that we get. So this is the expression that we're supposed to be plugging I into. As you can see, we don't have any I in this expression. So if I say I'm plugging in a 1 for I, well, I would just get 4, because there's nothing, nowhere for me to put an I. So that expression would still just give me a 4. And so I want to add to that what I get when I plug a 2 in for I. But again, there's no I there, so there's nowhere for me to put a 2. So this expression would still just again come out to 4. Then I want to add to that what I get when I plug a 3 in for I. Well, again, I'm just going to get a 4. And then plug a 4 in for I. Now I would just get 4. And plug a 5 in for I, as that's when we stop based on the upper limit of summation. And again, there we would just get a 4. So we are simply adding 4 together 5 times, and so that gives us 20.